Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the board. It's a pleasure to be here tonight. I'd like to start with my comments by echoing what everybody else has said. I stand in solidarity with people who are opposed to the mega site as well as opposed to the regional landfill site. I believe both cases come down to county property rights versus private property rights. And to sum up my position there, I'm the golden rule, do unto others how you would have done unto you. I expect it to be the same if they were trying to put a mega site on your property or beside your property as individuals. I'm sure you'd probably be here where you're red shirts like these people. And my second point is I proposed a Second Amendment Preservation Act a couple of months ago, and I would like an answer from the board, either yes, no, or maybe, just so I can bring this to some finality for the people who have supported this measure. Thank you for your time.